Hey everyone, now we are going to unbox this parcel. Uh, this parcel you can see. Let me open it. Okay, okay, so let's deep dive in. Okay, you can see nothing more. That's all in, and inside we have a pouch. So let's open that. Okay, we have some tape. Okay, that's all. So let's check what we have now. You can see this is a 1 rupee bundle. The year is 1990. Excuse me. Sorry. So you can see this is a 1 rupee bundle, 1990 year. And the first note is somewhat dirty, but it is a full bundle. I mean, it starts from 401 and ends at 500. You can see, I will show you. You can see 779401 goes on till 500. The signature is BIMAL JALAN. You can see here. You can see BIMAL JALAN. Year is of 1990. So this 1 rupee bundle is soon for sale on our website. You can check our website. I have the link in the profile. So this is a full 100 serial bundle. So if you like to purchase like these collections, you can check our website antiquerelic.in. That's all guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.